Hold it, pinch it tight.
Whoa, he got you.
Yeah, you let him go. Grab him with your hands and go ahead and just let him go. Throw him in there. No?
There he goes.
See you later, homie.
What'd you do, Daddy?
Oh, just a little magic.
Huh?
Hey, little grandpa magic.
Tell me. Did you cut a fish?
Yeah.
With what pole?
With whose pole do you think?
With Grandpa's pole, huh? Right.
That's where you're getting luck.
Right up that way too.
Look, Uncle Junior's over there jumping in on his area. Look, Uncle Mario's casting in on the spot over there.
That was my fish. I know. Going that side.
How come all the Korea families on the left side of the boat now, you gentlemen? Worse than them damn Asians over there.
Hey, maybe that's the thing. He's got the look going.
Before you know it, you got 40 of them around you. That's why you stuck that wet finger in my ear. Hey, you better get your pole back out.
Oh.
Get another one. You're hot right now, man. Pretty soon they're going to be dragging you out down the water.
I do love it.
Yeah?
Here, there's a new bait. Yeah, I'll put it
on. Uncle Mario bait it for you there.
Hey, Papa, did you put suntan lotion on?
All day yesterday at Raging Waters and no suntan lotion.
No, really?
Got that Mexican skin then, huh?
Oh, he's in his pool.
I'm doing the pool every day.
We got him with that
Another
big
neck.
hook too, man. Okay, who threw it in? Who threw it in the last time?
Me, that
Oh,
way.
you do it. Keep the luck up.
Huh. Right.